Hi, this is the part 1.2 of this intermediate story learning. This is the video lesson and speaking part. So for each unit, we have 2 video. One is to listen to the content, and then I will ask you some questions, so you will behave the chance to speak. And then the other one is the learning video, so it's just I will teach the content. So if you are confident in speaking Cantonese, then you can try the listening one. It's more difficult. And then if you do not want to be so difficult in the beginning, you can just start to learn the Cantonese using the learning video. Alright, so here we go. So the main idea is to have you listen to it and then have the chance to speak it. Okay, so we're still in the unit 1. So what I really want to say is it is a continuous project, so it won't stop. So it won't stop until I finish it, because all the PDF, the PowerPoint, everything is ready. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give me a thumb up, like it, leave me a message if it's too difficult, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message. Okay, so let's start. So this part is about her work. There will be quite a lot of new vocabulary that you probably don't know. So we'll first listen to it one time in a slow speed, and then I will tell you the key vocab that you don't know. And then we'll listen again, and then we'll talk about it. Let's start.
讀完中五之後，我去咗一間商科學校，讀1年商科，跟住就入咗嚟依家呢間公司做會計文員。
Okay, so it's pretty long. Let's do a short, just half of it, to see how things go. So you probably catch those words that are like 做嘢, to work, because it's about her work, and then it's talk about she finished her school, like 中五. It's like the 5th year in the secondary school. Alright, so let's listen.
讀完中五之後，我去咗一間商科學校，讀1年商科，跟住就入咗嚟依家呢間公司做會計文員。
Alright, so better, right? Catch one more words like 學校, right? And then 公司is the company, 學校 is the school. And then 1 year, I also catch it, 一年. And 入咗, enter. And okay, so just half of it. Now still slow.
讀完中五之後，我去咗一間商科學校，讀1年商科。
Okay, so it's about the learning. Alright, so the only word that you don't know is probably 商科. It's like a business domain. 商科, business, the subject of business. And then we will take a look of the vocab to help you understand it. We do not need to understand all of it in this listening and speaking level. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Let's cover up some of it. 係啦，讀完. Okay, so 中五. Alright, you look at the meaning. 中五之後去咗. So you can hear the sound. So side up for the Patreon, then you will get this PDF. And alright, so 商科 business 學校商科學校讀書跟住就 okay, so that's the second part. Alright, listen once again. So this, to begin with, I will ask you 去咗邊度讀書？佢去咗邊度讀書？讀啲咩 ？OK， 佢去咗邊度讀書？讀啲咩？讀咗幾耐 ？How long？ 幾耐？幾耐？跟住 next one is 讀完書之後，佢去咗做咩？讀咩書？讀咩科？係啦 ，what subject？ 讀咩科 ？What subject does she study？ did she study？ 好 ，so the first question again， 邊度 ？Where to study？Where she study？What she study？ 讀啲咩 ？For how long？ 讀咗幾耐 ？And then after school， 讀完書 after the whole course。Where did she go to do？ 去咗邊度？去咗做咩？Okay, this time is fast for the first half.
讀完中五之後，我去咗一間商科學校讀一年商科，跟住
Okay, so 去咗邊度讀書 ？Yeah, 佢去咗邊度讀書？Then the answer is 商科學校。佢去咗商科學校讀書，商科 business school。商科學校讀書 is not the university one. It's obviously she just graduated from secondary school, so it's just like a for diploma you would say 去咗商科學校讀書 ，and then 讀啲咩 ？Obviously， 佢讀商科 ，right？ 讀商科 ，and then it's just a 1-year program， 讀咗一年。So this one for how long？ 讀咗一年。讀完書之後 then we got to listen what she continued to do to work, right? Alright, come on, let's listen and then we'll show you the vocab. Slow version. We'll listen to the first part again.
讀完中五之後，我去咗一間商科學校讀一年商科，跟住就入咗嚟依家呢間公司做會計文員。
Alright. Again.
跟住就入咗嚟依家呢間公司做會計文員。
Alright, so a little bit difficult. There's a word 會計文員. So it's a name of a position. 會計 is account. 文員 is a clerk. So it's 會計文員. Alright, you see it 會計文員, right? 做公司 this one. And 依家 right? This is 跟住 the linking word. After that 跟住就 then 入咗嚟 right? So she's meaning to enter a new company 係啦，入咗嚟係啦，依家呢間公司做會計文員。好啦 so we can actually answer this question like 讀完書之後佢去咗一間公司 right 做會計文員 right alright so listen the fast version the second part
讀一年商科跟住就入咗嚟而家呢間公司做會計文員。
Alright, so we are pretty sure we are correct. And so this is, again, it's your turn to say the content to reply to my question. First, 佢去咗邊度讀書? And then you can pause here and then you answer the question and I will give you back the answer. 佢讀咗啲咩? Okay, so the first sentence is 佢去咗一間商科學校讀書，讀咗商科 right 係啦，讀商科 and then the second question 讀咗幾耐 pause 係啦 you answer 係啦佢讀咗一年 right 一年商科 she does study business for a year right alright so 讀完書之後佢去咗做咩 pause then you have to repeat the whole sentence and then give the answer right 讀完書之後佢去咗做咩 so is the answer is 佢讀完書之後佢去咗一間公司 right 做會計文員 right so you can just shorten it 佢去咗一間公司做文員 or 佢做文員佢去咗做文員讀完書之後佢去咗做文員 right so and on the top of this we can also add even advanced way to speak is to speak your story so 你去邊度讀書讀咗啲咩讀咗幾耐讀完書之後你去咗做咩 alright so you can actually this is important for you to communicate with people around you to introduce yourself so now I'm going to tell you my education so maybe just like her after secondary school 我去咗一間大學 one university 一間大學讀書我讀咗 psychology right 我讀 psychology 讀咗幾耐 so 我讀咗3年讀完書之後我去咗做 research 係啦 alright so this is my bachelor degree so for my master degree 我去咗 mainland China 讀中文 Chinese Chinese as a second language teaching people Chinese as a second language that's you okay so 讀咗幾耐almost 2年差唔多2年讀完書之後我去咗一間 international school 教中文 right 係啦 so you can try to think of your story and write it out or share to me record a YouTube or just a private link to me feel free please practice the language after learning that's the point 商科 is the key word like commerce okay 商科 is also business 商科學校係啦what I see is 跟住 after that and then this one is afterward 之後讀完中午之後 okay 食完飯之後我哋睇電視之後and then 跟住 is very very useful 依家 now 係啦 okay so for the word like some kind of technical word 商科學校會計文員 they are not that important alright so here is the text so in the learning video I will do this fill in the blanks with you and also some grammar points so this is very very useful so let's see the next video